Today I'm going to be changing a headlight bulb on this Ford Escape. This is from 2001 up to 2006, then they changed it I believe in 2007, so it may be different if you have a newer model Ford Escape. For this guy, this is just our regular low beam headlight bulb. We're going to jump back in here. The first thing we're going to do is there's two little tabs on the side of here, and I'll show you once I get it out. Well, you can kind of see here, that's the tab. There's one on both sides. So I was able to grab both tabs at once, and that's what they look like right there. Get those clippies, then we tear this guy off, and it's got a little tab there and a little tab here. That guy comes off. Sometimes those take some pulling, but that's been off before. Then we go in here and we have to release the bulb. We have these tabs here. So this is the tricky part, especially putting it back in. These can be a little tricky. So that comes out. Now as you flip this door up, the bulb can fall out, so just be careful. And always remember, wear gloves when you're taking a bulb out, because if you touch it with greasy hands, if you want to put it back in, or you're putting the new bulb in, you touch it with greasy hands, it will burn out the bulb much quicker. So let's take a look in here, and this has three slots shaped like a Y. That's to get it in the proper direction, so your plug works in the back. As you can see, there's two spots on the bottom and one on the top, so that's the orientation it goes in, like this. So I'll just throw this back in real quick so you can see how the whole process works. I think the trickiest part is this little door, just because if you've never dealt with it, getting these little hooks to hook on, and I don't know if you saw that, it hooks down and around that corner. So down and around. I'll do this one again. So that's to release it, and that's to put it back on. So that guy's in. Next step is put this guy in, and this can be a little tricky getting this in here, but this goes on here. Line it up so you can see this goes snug, and this is super important because this keeps moisture out. But that guy goes around that. Secure that if you can. Sometimes you just kind of have to push and mold this in kind of as you go. Push around there and push all the way around. That seals it. Then we're going to find our plug. Boom, the plug just fell right behind it. This guy clips in like so. You'll hear it click. We're good to go. Bulb's in. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you next time. There's a link in the description for gloves and the bulb, and we'll see you.